Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Blue Willow on Discord. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up your Discord app. Then, connect your Discord to Blue Willow by joining their Discord server. Once you have done all of that, what we are going to do is to create your own server. And then, what you want to do is head on to Blue Willow's Discord server. Once here, look for the Blue Willow AI and invite it in the server that you have just created. Go to your Blue Willow server and then type in /. By typing the /, you will be able to see all of the commands that you can use for Blue Willow. And now, you may now proceed to generate your own creations by using and maximizing the commands that Blue Willow can offer. But due to high demand, Blue Willow can only be accessed through a paid subscription. So for you to get the result, just subscribe to Blue Willow, whether monthly or annually, and it will then give you an immediate result of what you are looking for. But if you also lack the budget for the meantime, another thing you can do is to proceed with other website alternatives. So, another thing you can do is to proceed with other website alternative. So other websites that we can use are Stable Diffusion, Photosonic, and Leonardo.ai. That will give you the same result. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now use Blue Willow on Discord. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.